Ever wonder if that fancy coffee shop accepts your KOHO card? Scrambling for cash at the register, only to realize your debit card isn't working? Been there, done that. Especially if you're rocking a prepaid card like KOHO. These sleek little cards offer a ton of benefits: budgeting, saving, managing your finances, but where can you actually use them? Can you snag a latte with KOHO, or are you stuck with boring old cash? Well, fret no more, finance friends. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of KOHO acceptance. We'll crack the code, unveil the mysteries, and answer the burning question: who accepts KOHO, and where can you spend that hard-earned cash, or should we say, preloaded cash? Here's the juicy secret: KOHO isn't just some random prepaid card company. They've teamed up with the big kahuna of payment networks, MasterCard. That's right, the same MasterCard that's accepted at millions of locations worldwide. So, anywhere you see that iconic red and yellow logo, chances are high your KOHO card will be welcomed with open arms, or should we say, payment terminals. Now, this doesn't mean every single store on the planet accepts KOHO. There might be a few quirky, old-fashioned shops clinging to cash-only transactions. But for the vast majority of retailers, online stores, and restaurants, that MasterCard partnership makes KOHO a viable option. Think about it. Grocery shopping at your local supermarket? KOHO's got you covered. Treating yourself to a movie night with friends? KOHO says popcorn and soda on them, well, on you, but with the help of KOHO. Even booking that weekend getaway online? KOHO can handle those hotel reservations like a champ. But KOHO's reach goes beyond just brick-and-mortar stores. The beauty of MasterCard is its online presence. So, if you're a digital shopping fiend, fret not. As long as the website accepts MasterCard, your KOHO card is your ticket to retail therapy. Remember, KOHO helps with budgeting too, so don't go too crazy. Now, a quick heads up for our international friends. KOHO cards are currently only available in Canada. But the good news is that MasterCard partnership extends globally. So, if you're a Canadian KOHO user traveling abroad, your card should still be accepted at MasterCard locations in most countries. Just be sure to check with your bank about any potential foreign transaction fees. Here's the bottom line: KOHO, with the backing of MasterCard, opens doors to a vast network of payment possibilities. From everyday purchases to online shopping sprees, your KOHO card can be your financial wingman. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.